Wood and Carpet Apartment by Bodà Architetti in Turin, Italy. The subject of the project is the restyling of a private apartment in which, while keeping the overall spatial distribution unchanged, the living room environment is enhanced through the inclusion of a wooden carpet that characterizes the environment, warms the atmosphere, and enhances the spatial perception. The wooden carpet turns up against the wall and masks a piece of furniture that enhances and makes the lower part of the room usable, by including a storage function. The wooden carpet is made with oak slats cut to size with decreasing dimensions to facilitate the creation of the curvature. A system of steps is inserted near the views which facilitates the view towards the outside and creates a seat from which you can enjoy the external view. The inclusion of a three-sided fireplace near the sofa area characterizes the space and avoids the functional division of the environment.